What's going on, guys? This is Rohin. You are watching All About Tech, and in this video I'm going to telling you about the app, the VPN app. Here it is. Guys, this is a very sufficient app to use the website which is banned in colleges, in the schools, in the country as well. But guys, don't misuse of this app. This is a VPN turbo app. Guys, it helps you to visit the websites which are banned. So here you can see this is the app. So let me just open it. So guys, the main thing which you need to do is the only thing you need to change the country, because without changing the country you will not visit the websites which are banned in the country. As you can see, I have selected the Netherlands, and after selecting it, it may take a second while connecting. Now it is ready to use, and you need to just go to the home and browse with the Chrome as well, because it helps to open any site, and the websites like torrents which are banned or not which is used. So guys, it's a legal use to use VPN, but guys, it is safe, but don't misuse it because it's an only for educational purpose. Guys, hope you like the video. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Follow us on Twitter and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell icon. Bye bye.